Guys, foreclosures in this country is about to explode. Now, if you have been waiting to buy real estate in the last couple quarters because of inflated interest rates or because of inflated prices for the homes, this video is going to be great for you because in today's video, I'm going to explain step by step on how you can take advantage of this market when it comes to foreclosures this year. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger in today's video. We're going to talk about foreclosures. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience. And it also allows YouTube to push us within their algorithm and allows us to leave these lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel.
If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information in this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report.
Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. We're going to talk about foreclosures because I honestly think that it has not been a great time to buy homes in the last couple months, well, probably last year, because the interest rates has been dramatically high compared to the ones that was 2 to 3 years ago. So a lot of people have been waiting, been trying to take advantage of an opportunity to buy a piece of real estate. Now, I just got the reports from a company called Black Knight. They give data reports on foreclosures in the real estate market on a month-to-month basis. Now, I thought that it would be interesting to talk about the reports for this month because I seen an influx in these reports. So as you can see, the total U.S. loan delinquency rate from February the 23rd, month over month has changed to 1.9%. Now, as you can see, the total U.S. foreclosure pre-sale inventory is up 0.46. Now, what stood out to me the most on this particular report is the number of properties that are 30 or more past due but not in foreclosure. That number is up to 1.8 million. Now, that is a lot of properties that is about to hit the foreclosure market that's not been there in the last couple months. And this is going to be a great opportunity for anyone to buy a home coming forward. Now, a lot of people were shying away from the real estate market because of the interest rates and also the home prices. Now, the home prices is one of the biggest issue in this market because if you buy a home this year for a price point that's probably overpriced $75,000, in a year from now, that same house regulated itself to the normal price point and now it's less than $75,000. That means that you lose $75,000 within a year of equity if you buy an overinflated home. That's not really worth what the market is. Now, a lot of inventory has been shortened, but because people have been responding to the market, the inventory when it comes to real estate has been a lot over the last couple months because a lot of people has not been buying. Now, as we go back to Black Knight, as you can see, the top 5 states by non-current percentages is, of course, Mississippi, and these are the states that has the highest influx of foreclosure. So in February, Mississippi had 7.94% of the loan owners in the state of Mississippi have foreclosure. 7.9% have foreclosures. The second is Louisiana. The third is Alabama with 5.8. The fourth is Arkansas, and the fifth is West Virginia. Now, the states that's not having a lot of issues in terms of foreclosures is these top 5, which is California, Montana, Idaho. Now, California is interesting because California has had a lot of issues when it comes to default payments in the mortgage industry. So seeing California on here is interesting. I'm only guessing the reason it's on here is because they have a foreclosure ban a few months ago because of COVID. Now, Montana, Idaho, Colorado, Washington, of course, has the lowest percentage of foreclosures, and it's also one of the richest states in the country. Now, as you can see, guys, it is going to be a lot of properties that's going to hit the market pretty soon here. You want to look into the areas like Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, Alabama, West Virginia, because those are going to give you the largest percentages of houses that have foreclosures hitting the market coming soon. Now, Louisiana and Alabama, Arkansas, those are some, if you find a good market in those states, you can really clean up well if you are an investor, or if you are a person that wants to rent the property out, or if you want to do Airbnb. Those states, or especially Louisiana, when it comes to Airbnbs, will do great. So if you can find a good piece of property in Louisiana that's coming to the foreclosed market and grab it for a relatively small price point, I think that you can really clean up nicely. But this is very interesting. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this. Are you interested? How are you trajectory this market? Are you waiting longer? Are you planning to buy a property? Are you looking for a property for yourself? Are you looking for a property for investment purposes? Let me know in the comment section how you guys feel about this, because I think that this is going to be interesting. As you know, the markets in this system seems like they are failing by the day. Not only is the consumers falling when it comes to default loans, the institutions and the banking infrastructure is as well. So guys, let me know in the comments. Keep your head up if you are suffering from these inflated products or anything like that, or this economy as a whole. Guys, please leave your head up and do the best you can to keep your head above water. Guys, like I said, like and subscribe to the channel because it allows YouTube to push us within an algorithm. Until next time, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out.